There's just so much things you can do with the things. Look at that. Trail, now look back at me. Ah. Now, I'm not really sure, but this is probably not going to be the best idea I ever had. I'm already in the trees. I think I'm gonna...
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. We are back in Smokey's garage, and today's video is gonna be about the Insta360 combined with the beautiful Honda Africa Twin. I gotta say, it's kind of dirty, but Smokey Bubbles will solve that problem. It's coming soon, boys. It's coming soon. I promise. I promise. And my friends from Insta360 sent me an email, and they were like, "Hey Smokey, you want to try out our new Insta360 X4 8K camera?" And you guys know that I'm an idiot motovlogger, so why not? So in today's video, we also gonna be doing 25 different styles of where to mount a camera. So yeah, they sent me a couple of things. We got the motorcycle U-bolt. We got a chest strap. I already got another chest strap. This is gonna be a giveaway. Let me know in the comments if you want to have a chest strap. Don't make your wife see this and think she has to use the strap for... We got that flexible adhesive mount. We have a heavy duty clamp right here. We have the motorcycle selfie stick support clamp. We have the action invisible selfie stick. Yeah, you don't really see the stick, but you're not gonna be able to see the stick. That's kind of cool though. We got the lens cap over here. That looks like the cap they put on those birds, like the... that thing. We got the premium lens guards over here. We got an extra battery. We got a mic wind muff. Looks nice as well. And of course, the brand spanking new Insta360 X4 8K 360 action cam. And not only that, we also got selfie stick ring mount. Not only one, not two. Yeah, I have no idea who made my box, but I think you got a little bit too many selfie stick ring mounts. Now, next to the brand's spanking new Insta360 X4, of course, inside of the box comes a cloth, a cable, a plastic cover, a manual that is thicker than my last paycheck, and a little fiber cover. Now, before we go, I'm just gonna put the lens guards on and the mic wind muff. But first, satisfying peels. Oh yeah. Now, the new lens guards are pretty easy to put on. You just push them like that, turn them on, and they pop in place, just like that. When it comes to the wind muffs, they're actually not kidding. They put like a whole lot in there. Dang it, that thing looks like a freaking alien. Because talking about what it all can do is boring as hell. I just want to get on a motorcycle. I'll put everything in the description what the thing can do. And of course, in today's video, we will be using Smokey's brand spanking new Honda Africa Twin. With the DCT. Ha! This is not a fishing pole. I can already see you guys thinking this is like a carbon fiber fishing pole. It is light as hell, but no, it is not. It's a selfie stick, and it's 3 meters long. So I do wonder what happens if you put it on a bike like that. Now, before we go, mount numero uno. If you ever get a 360 camera, the first thing you need to do is stick it in your mouth. Open up your helmet, if you have a helmet that does open, right around like that. Oh. Now, if you just started out on YouTube and you want to gain some subscribers, I reckon you don't use that angle. Alright, this is the heavy duty clamp. I mount that on the handlebar, of course. And it comes with this funny looking small key, so you don't hurt your fingernails when tightening it up. Look at that. And you can adjust it as you want. So yeah, the 1 meter selfie stick is onto the heavy duty clamp. Always make sure before you get out it doesn't hit anything, because that is a recipe for a bad day in the hospital. Without any further ado, let's do the jabroom. Let's go.
Alright, back in the Honda Africa Twin. It is 10 degrees, it's kind of chilly, but it's a good day. It's a good day. We're back on the bike. Everybody's loving it. I'm loving it. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna be doing, the first stance with the new Insta X4. Pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Front vlogging style. We're just gonna put it on the handlebar like that. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of roading here. Not gonna... As simple as that. This is like I mean the position. I'm gonna stand up here a little bit, see if I can get my head still on the frame. I'm not really sure. Now in post-production, it's in sport by the way. Now in post-production you can turn the camera around and turn it sideways and whatnot. You can have vertical, you can have horizontal, you can do all things with that. So ideal for shorts creations on TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. And you can also cut out the horizontal stuff for the YouTube video that I'm making right now. So yeah, this is I think it's number 2, right? The first one was in my mouth. Don't do that. It will not get any more subscribers. This is the first one. It's on handlebar. Now the next one is gonna be with the Action Invisible selfie stick. I'll show you something cool as well. If you just take it out like this and you hold it like that, have to mount the camera first. You can see that I can walk around with the camera. You probably see my hand sticking out in a weird way, but you're not gonna be able to see the stick. That's kind of cool though. So if you put it on the ground, like this for example, you wouldn't see, and I can do like, if I let it go, like that. Yeah, see that? I know, you're probably not gonna know what the hell I'm doing there, but this is the 1 meter selfie stick. It's like a little bit of a drone, like stuff like that. So we're gonna make it a little bit shorter. That is gonna be mount number 2. We make it shorter like this, and we're just gonna be putting it on the bike like that. All right, let's see what this gives. And while we're riding, we're gonna go to the next one, and the next one is gonna be turning it all the way up. Yeah, the room. Nice. Now we also have a Bluetooth microphone for the Insta360, but I'm not using that because sometimes I run out of battery because I talk way too much, and I wouldn't probably know that the battery runs out. Anyway, drive, sport, let's do this. Whoa, we gotta do some drag footage as well later on when we put the Insta360 a little bit lower to the ground as well. Action footage, boys, action footage, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is the selfie sticks on this height. And now let's turn it all the way up. Something like that. I have no idea what I'm doing here, but it does look a little bit weird riding around like this, but you know, if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. I think we got like some kind of drone footage now, I don't know, but this is kind of looking ridiculous. Sometimes you see these people riding around in town with like a very long selfie stick, and this is like my 1 meter selfie stick, and I have my 3 meter selfie stick with me. So not really sure what people are gonna think about that. They're already looking like, what an idiot. But maybe the footage is good. You know, I'll see that later on in post-production. But anyway, let's get to the next one, and this is gonna be a cool one as well. Now with all Insta360s, of course, comes this little I think it's called hex screw in English. You can turn it like this, and then you can turn the camera like that, and I think this is gonna be perfect to show you guys my you know, my finger blasting right here, like pow 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 pow. Let's try that. Yeah, I like that. I love finger blasting my Honda. Yeah, dang it. Oh, the funny part is when you extend the selfie stick, the things are just endless with this thing. I mean, it's just ridiculous how many shots you can make. But besides looking at the safety, which is not very safe because I'm riding as wide as a car and I have to make sure I don't hit any poles, but I mean, there is just so much things you can do with the thing. So this is called like the side angle shot, like some kind of drone following me. We gotta try this out with a 3 meter long stick though. This is just a meter one. We gotta try it out. Oh yeah. Oh, the cool part that I like about this camera in particular, I can just be like, look at that. Yeah, that looks like a muddy trail. Now look back at me. Yeah, that's cool, right? I really have to change this GoPro shit to an Insta360 as well, so Insta, we gotta talk. Not really sure why I would need the front wheel shot, but might look cool. I also got the rear wheel shot. I mean, just in case you want to have like a shot of the rear wheel. Yeah. Or maybe you just like a suspension shot when doing some off-roading, you know. Oh, don't have gear on, don't have protection gear on, Smokey, calm down, calm down. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Or recording the foot shifting. Well, nobody understands because it's a DCT, but I can still shift with my foot or shift down. Go down a gear, and go up. Yeah, strange, right?
You can also use it for vlogging. This is the sound from the Insta360 with the muffins on the side, and the horses are right on the other side. Now back to me. Don't get me wrong, I do like chest mounts. You have like a nice vision, but with the Honda Africa Twin I'm a little bit on the low side, so the vision is not gonna be that great. And when you turn it around, you guys are way up too close right now. I should have shaved. Now I do wonder if I can put it underneath the bike and pull a wheelie. Let's try it. It's called the chick liner, boys. Chick liner.
Now this is going to be either a very cool idea or a very bad idea. Now pulling wheelies with an Africa Twin is pretty simple. You just turn out the traction control on the wheel control, and when it starts feeling light in the front, just yank it a little bit and it will just come up. You can just full throttle it when leaving. Look at that. And now we pull it. You see that? And then the wheel comes up. Let's do that again, shall we? Nah, that was better. That was better. God dang it, the wind is pushing me to the side here. Now, I'm not really sure, but this is probably not going to be the best idea I ever had. I think I'm already in the trees up there. Oh my lord. Anyway, you gotta check this out. We got a 3-meter long selfie stick. We gotta see if this works. I'm already in the trees. I think I'm gonna leave with the bike. I'm already gonna get the camera stuck inside of the trees, but anyway, we gotta try that stuff out, don't we? Oh, that's almost hitting a tree right there. I think this might be like some kind of drone shot. It also says you can get electrocuted. So if there's some lightning somewhere, this is a lightning rod. And it's gonna be storming today. Oh shit, it's coming down. Oh, it's coming down. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Maybe cool if it even comes down. Wait, let's put it on my shoulder like that. Maybe this is a cool sight. It's not really attractive for riding around with a carbon fiber stick and a lightning rod on your shoulder, but oh, even a kid looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? I know, boy, I know. Anyway, we gotta shut this party down. We gotta shut this down. Now they also sent me this extra bolt and extra stick holder, something like this, so it doesn't go down like that just happened on the steering wheel right there. So now I can actually put this one on and put it all the way to the back to see what happens. I'm not really sure, but this is really getting out of hand, boys. This is where I kind of draw the line with hello, not friendly whatsoever, but this is like this is gonna break. I don't think this is safe at all. I'm running wide in the back now, so don't take sharp corners now, Smokey. I really do want to. Oh, it's like vibrating really bad. It's like vibrating. This is like a strength test as well. A strength and a bend test. It looks like it's going from left to right as well. This is scary though. This is very scary. But might look cool though. Might look cool. We'll have to see in post-production, but might look very cool. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be doing with this setup, but this might be like a front drone shot or something. I don't know. We have to figure that out though. That is one. That is two. Here we go. And one more. No, it also comes out like that. Yeah, this is not gonna be a winner for sure, but we have to try it out. Let's go. Boom. It's not snapping. That is some fine ass carbon fiber though. Does this work with some nice music, some nice views? Let's try. I have no idea what I'm doing. And just like that, we're back.
Now, like I said before, this thing can do a lot of stuff. We get video, active HDR, we get time shift, we get bullet time, loop recording, dash cam, star lapse, burst, interval, HDR photo, normal photo, and back to video. And you can even switch it if you want to have 360 or just single lens. Now, I don't want you guys to miss anything when Smokey gets back on the road to do some more motovlogs and stuffs. So this is going to be my new 360 front camera. Now, if you want to get one yourself, go to the link in the description and use the link to purchase one. But that is that for today's video. Smokey is going to be cleaning the Africa Twin with the new Smokey bubbles. It's coming soon, I promise, as promised. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and thanks all so much for watching. See ya! Yo guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you also want to make some money on the side with YouTube or become a full-time YouTuber as myself, or you want to build your personal brand, make sure you click the link in the description and check out my free webinar. Yeah, new video, my favorite video.